Hi everyone, welcome back. It's me, your teacher, Samia Miss. Assalamualaikum. So class, before continue, let's first morning song. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear students. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear students. Good morning to you. Great job, everybody. So class, today we are going to learn the name of our national flower. Dun, 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 dun. It's water lily. It's water lily. The name of our national flower is water lily. Very good. And class, the name of our so scary. It's Royal Bengal Tiger. The name of our national animal is Royal Bengal Tiger. Oh, it's Royal Bengal Tiger. Very good, great job. And the name of our national fruit is it's jackfruit. Very good. It's jackfruit. The name of our national fruit is jackfruit. Very good. So class, learn this at home. Now Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.